If you want to do it a little bit trailer trash, and I'll be honest, I no problem doing it a little bit trailer trash. I have done it trailer trash. Lime cordial and lemonade. Got a barbecue on the way. We're going to do some outdoors cooking, outside cooking, both work soon. This might have gone to my head, blimey. That is just that little bit sweet enough that you can sit there and actually enjoy the drink, not go, oh, like you do with most dry drinks. It's alcoholic enough to know you've had a drink, but at no point are you like, oh, you know what? I maybe shouldn't be drinking this before breakfast. Right, this is hopefully going to be a super quick one. I'm making myself a drink. I thought, oh, do you know what? I haven't done a cocktail video in a while, and I've got some leftover mint. I invented this drink, and then found out subsequently that I haven't invented it. It already existed. I don't know if I subconsciously seconded it. I'd already heard about it somewhere else and didn't realise I had, or what. Essentially, it's a Mexican mojito. So, if you don't know what a mojito is, it's mint and lime with Bacardi, or white rum, some sugar, and some soda water. Now, I'm not a big rum drinker. I don't dislike rum, but I don't keep rum around. I do like tequila, so I generally have tequila in my bar. What we're going to do is essentially make a mojito with tequila. This is a mixing jar. If you haven't got a mixing jar, you can make it just straight in the glass, to be fair. So mint leaves in there to begin. This is a muddler. If you haven't got a muddler, end of a rolling pin. Muddlers are pretty handy to have though. I also use them a lot if I'm making pickles, to like pack stuff into jars. But you just want to get that crush, mix up. Not mix up, just a crush and a pound. I'll be honest, normally I'd put a wedge of lime in there. Forgot to buy any lime, and I'm ad-libbing this at the end of an evening. Well, at the end of an evening, but after I got in from work. I also put in a pinch of sugar, actually 2 pinches of sugar, 1 big pinch of sugar. If you want to use simple syrup, we've talked about simple syrups, well, syrups in general in one of these other cocktail videos I've done. I'll put a link up there. You can use them instead. That's handy. I prefer to use sugar instead of a syrup, because if you use sugar at this stage, it acts as, not an aggregate, an abrasive with the mint. So it helps break down that mint and get the mint oils flowing. So we're going to go in there with some ice. And we're going to go in there with a double of good quality tequila. Double should be 50. My jigger goes 45 to 60, so I'm going to go for a 60. And I've just noticed something floating in my jigger. Anyway, double tequila in there. Now, we should have a couple of lime wedges in here, if not, squeeze in some lime juice. I forgot about the limes. But what we're going to do now is stir that with a bar spoon that I forgot to go get. 1 sec. 1 bar spoon. Give it a stir. Same as with any cocktail, what we're doing is we're melting some of that ice and watering down the alcohol, because it's pure alcohol at this point. So you want to stir that until you can start to feel the coldness of the ice coming through the outside of the glass. Right, then pour that out. And we top that up, 2 parts to 1 soda water, which is going to explode. Oh wait, no. 2 parts to 1, 2 parts soda water to 1 part lemon lime soda. This is 7-Up. Sprite is also an option. That kind of makes up a little bit for not having the lime juice in there, although with a whack of fresh lime in there, it is an extra special drink. But this is summer incarnate, as far as I'm concerned. Pina colada. Yeah, pina colada. Everyone that drinks that on holiday, that's a Christmas drink. Summer drinks, vodka and tonic, gin and tonic, mojitos, mai tais, and mexijitos. That is just that little bit sweet enough that you can sit there and actually enjoy the drink, not go, oh, like you do with most dry drinks. It's alcoholic enough to know you've had a drink, but at no point are you like, oh, you know what, I maybe shouldn't be drinking this before breakfast. Not that you should be drinking it before breakfast, but you know. Right, little quick one there, probably, hopefully less than 10 minutes. Good way to use up a little bit of leftover mint. Try that. It's really quite nice. Buenas noches, mi corazón. I'll see you when I see you. Hey.